Hey guys, this is Commander Dell. I just finished my contest entry, so I thought I'll just make an update video. So yeah, I did a lot of stuff for a while in the past like 2 days or whatever. So yeah, I went to the Lego store. I said I was gonna get 2 big things of this filled with Lego bricks, but I only had enough money for 1 at the time, so yeah. But so anyways, I have all my all my Star Wars figures in there right now, so except for the ones in the base. And I also got, since there's lots of room like in the bottom, see right there, there's like nothing down there, I fit some small pieces in there from the Lego store. I just got a bunch of those little things. I put them on my gunship to make it look more detailed. And then, you know those little like exhaust pipe things? I just got a bunch of those too, so I made them there, like a little thing for the speeder. So yeah, if any of you are wondering where I got my Cashier Trooper, I got that from my friend. I traded him with something. So yeah, and I made up a name for the custom Admiral. If you know Admiral Needar, or wait, no, not Needar, or something from episode 5. He was one of the guys who got choked by Darth Vader. I mean Admiral Needar or something. I'm pretending that guy's gonna be him when he was younger, but I'm gonna say he's Captain Needar instead of Admiral, because so he didn't get to the Admiral stage yet or whatever. So yeah. So then let me see. Over here I got a big gray plate, and that's really cool. And I have just a battle scene there, and I finished that part from the MTT. But I don't have the rest of the MTT. And I have droids there. All my clones in the base though. So, yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, and if you want to see that new tripod I got, there it is. It's so huge. I mean, it's really huge. So yeah, that's what it was on. That's what my camera was on before, when I was filming it in the beginning. So yeah, it's really good, and I can take the camera off so easily if you watch my other movie. So yeah, and then I just wanted to show you, I made another update to my, to my ATTE. I had the old ATST, but it was broken, so I got that piece from it that opens up like that, and I put that on here. It fits perfectly from that piece that was there. So yeah, it's really awesome. I really like that. So yeah, oh yeah, and also when we were at the Lego store, we bought those Lego ice cube mix things, and my dad put plaster in them to make these like little statue things, and they look really cool. They're like little Lego statues. Like, you just go to Lego store, buy that ice cube Lego man thing, and you have plaster, put the plaster in there and just let it dry, and then it's really cool. It's like a Lego statue. So you have a lot more, but someone like this unfortunate guy who doesn't have a head turned out really wrong. I mean, yeah, I mean, like, he didn't turn out wrong. It's just, it's kind of hard to get them out of the thing. So that's pretty much it for this update video. So please rate, comment, and subscribe.